Hello students, today we are going to learn the new topic exponents and powers. So an exponent means an expression that represents the repeated multiplication of same factor is called powers. For example, 5 square value is 25. Here 5 is the base and 2 is the exponents or powers. So 5 is the base value, 2 is the exponents or power. So next we will learn the important formula for exponents. The first formula is a power 0 equal to 1. That means anything power 0 the value is 1. 5 power 0 also 1. 5000 power 0 also 1. So anything power 0 the value is 1. The second formula a power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. The third one a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here the base value is same, power value is different. Under multiplication means we are use the formula here a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Then fourth formula a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So the last formula a power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. Exercise 1.6 third question. Evaluate the first one 1 by 2 the whole power 3. Here 1 by 2 is the base value, 3 is the power. So we have to write 1 by 2 3 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So multiply the numerator value, 1 ones are 1, again 1 into 1, 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 1 by 8 is the answer. Second one, 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. We know that formula a power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. Here the a value is 1 by 2, m value is 5. We have to change the positive powers. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole power 5. So take the reciprocal 1 by 2. So 2 by 1 only. So 2 divided by 1 that is 2 only here. So 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 can be written as 2 into 2 that is 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. So 32 is the answer. Third one the same method here also minus 5 divided by 6 whole power minus 3. First we have to convert the positive power 1 divided by minus 5 divided by 6 whole power 3. So take the reciprocal value here 6 divided by minus 5 whole power 3. So we have 6 power 3 divided by minus 5 whole power 3. So 3 is common for 6 and minus 5. 6 power 3 we have to write 6 into 6 into 6. Here also minus 5 power 3 means, so we have to write minus 5 3 times. So 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Again minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So the answer is, put the sign minus sign in middle, minus 216 divided by 125. The fourth question 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. So we know that formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here the base value is same means we have to add the powers. So 2 powers that is a common 2 here. 2 power minus 5 plus 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. So 2 power 7 minus 5 the answer is 2. Again we have to apply the formula, division formula a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So this is the division only. So 2 power in division we should subtract the power. So 2 power 2 minus of minus 2. So in division you put the minus sign here. So already power sign also minus. So 2 power 2 minus of minus 2. Here 2 power minus into minus plus 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means we have to write 2 4 times. So the answer is 16. Fifth question, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. Here base is different, power is equal. The formula is a power m into b power m is equal to ab, that is a product only, ab power m. Here I am using here 2 3s are 6 power, the common power only here ab whole power m. So 2 3s are 6 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. Here again I apply the formula, division formula, base is equal, power is different. So a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So 6 power minus 1 minus of minus 2. So division means we should subtract the power. So 6 power minus 1 minus of minus 2. So 6 power minus 1, minus into minus plus. So 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. So 6 power 1, the value is 6. Fourth question, 2 by 5 whole power 4 into 5 by 2 whole power minus 2. First we write 2 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 into 5 power minus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2. First we have to convert negative powers, convert to positive, that is a power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power m. So the 1 divided by 5 power 2, here also reciprocal 2 power plus 2. So 2 power 4 into 2 power 2. So here also base is same, power is different. So we should add the power. 2 power 4 plus 2 divided by 5 power 4 plus 2. That is 2 power 6 divided by 5 power 6. So 2 power 6 means we should write 2 6 times. Here also we should write 5 6 times. So the answer is 64 divided by 15,625. Second question, 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. Here the base is same, power is different, under division only. So a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 4 by 5, that is a value, power first power is minus 2, we should subtract the power in division. So minus, the second power is minus 2. So 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2, here minus into minus plus. So 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. So 4 by 5 whole power 1 means 4 by 5. The third question, 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. So you write 2 power 7 as it is into, this are negative powers only, change to positive means 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole power 3. So 2 power 7 into, the reciprocal value is 2 power 3. So here a power m into a power n formula here. So 2 power 7 plus 3, 2 power 10 is the answer. Thank you students.